Hello viewers, today my topic is virtual data room and best virtual data room users in 2023 in this right now in this video. This is one of the top class video in here in my this is a topic in the virtual data room the best virtual data room users in 2023. They have many users of virtual data room in the VDRS. VDRS means virtual data room. This room is outgoing the business and this is the hopefully of the business of growing. This is the main cases of the virtual data room of VDRS. VDRS means virtual data. And this data is one of the fit and gateway of this BDRS company in this lineup of best users of this. This is one of the best data provider service of BDRS companies on the right way. And this is the virtual data room. Virtual data room BDRS and their companies in the hopefully will be good. And this is one of the top class virtual data room software providers is the right now of this way. This is the best virtual data room software in 2023 is here. And this time of this virtual data room is the upgrowing in this business in here. Hearing now in the virtual data room of this growing is one of this year. Virtual data room BDRS in of this. Viewers, he is the virtual data. He is one of the latest and fittest way of VDRS company. This company is in the of this way of this VDRS. VDRS mean virtual data rooms. He is the and best user of virtual data room. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, share my video, everybody. Thank you.